If your team brainstorms in one place, plans in another, and presents somewhere else, Miro is built to bring that work together.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi there, and welcome back to Best Reviews YouTube channel. Miro is a cloud-based visual collaboration platform where teams can map ideas, organize projects, build workflows, and present work on an infinite canvas. In this video, we'll look at what Miro is like to use, its standout collaboration and AI features, how its pricing works, and where it may not be the perfect fit. And as always, check the full bestreviews.net review for the latest Miro offers before making a decision. Getting started with Miro is simple, whether you use it on the web, Windows, macOS, iOS, or Android. For the smoothest experience though, we recommend the Windows or macOS app, as both feel faster and better suited to working across larger boards. After signing in, users can invite teammates, answer a few setup questions, and land on a dashboard that acts as the home base for teams, spaces, and boards. From there, creating a new board feels quick and familiar. You can start with a blank canvas or choose from one of Miro's over 6,000 templates. Then you can add sticky notes, drag in shapes, move items around, and arrange ideas with almost no learning curve. The canvas is where Miro really starts to make sense. It gives teams room to brainstorm freely, but also enough structure to turn those ideas into tables, timelines, kanban boards, docs, slides, flows, and other project materials. Navigation is smooth with a mouse or trackpad, and frames make larger boards easier to manage. Rather than searching across a massive canvas, teams can use frames to structure sections and navigate the board like a presentation. That said, Miro works best when boards are kept organized. Very large boards with many elements or high-resolution images can become harder to navigate, especially on weaker devices. Miro's main strength is helping teams move from early ideas to structured work without leaving the board. You can quickly create mind maps, user journeys, roadmaps, timelines, kanban boards, documents, slides, and flows, either from scratch or with a high help using Miro AI. One of the most useful parts of the platform is its flow building capability. Teams can connect different elements and use AI to keep project content updated as an idea evolves. For example, with a few sticky note ideas for a travel app, we were able to generate a complete project with a user flow diagram, a project document, a slide presentation, and even a poll. Miro AI can also help when teams get stuck. It can generate mind maps, summarize board content, create action items, analyze feedback sentiment, and help brainstorm additional ideas. But it's better for first drafts than finished client-ready work. Outputs can feel generic and may need editing, and AI flows can sometimes update or reorganize content you did not mean to change. Collaboration is another major part of Miro. Teams can use comments, timers, voting, cursor tracking, and presentation mode to run live asynchronous sessions. Another useful collaboration feature is Talktrack, which lets users record a video walkthrough directly on the canvas. Teammates can watch later while the board follows the presenter's cursor and voice, which can reduce the need for extra meetings. External collaboration is also flexible. Teams can share public links for quick sessions or invite guests by email for more secure projects, with permission levels for viewing, commenting, or editing. Miro's integration ecosystem is also a major strength. It connects with more than 250 apps including Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, Jira, Asana, Confluence, Notion, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. On mobile, Miro is better for reviewing work than building large boards from scratch. The iOS and Android apps make it easy to check updates, read comments, and make quick edits. But moving around dense canvases or arranging many elements can feel less precise than on desktop. Miro offers a limited free plan which includes 3 editable boards, templates, 10 Miro AI credits per month, and up to 5 Talktracks. For teams that want to test more advanced features, Miro also offers a 14-day free trial on the business plan. Paid plans start at $8 per member per month for the starter plan when billed annually. The business plan costs $20 per member per month also when billed annually, while larger organizations can choose an enterprise plan with custom pricing. Annual billing gives 20% discount compared to monthly billing, and teams buying 5 or more licenses can get 25% volume discount on the per member cost for a limited time. Miro's AI tools use a credit-based system, and unused credits don't roll over. Since prices and deals can change, it's worth checking the full bestreviews.net review before subscribing. Miro's support resources include a blog, community, help center, learning center, and academy. The help center is available from the website, while the learning center can be accessed inside the app. It includes hands-on getting started guides that let users practice features directly on Miro boards. To contact support, users need to submit a ticket through the app, and this option is available on the starter, business, and enterprise plans. Miro has a low Trustpilot rating, but in our experience, the support reply came within 24 hours and was straightforward. Miro is also active on social media including YouTube, where users can find tutorials and updates. Overall, Miro does a good job of bringing scattered project work into one visual workspace. Its biggest positives are flexible project planning, AI-assisted workflows, real-time and asynchronous collaboration, and easy external sharing with clients or guests. On the flip side, boards can become cluttered if teams do not keep them organized, and very large boards may feel slower or harder to navigate on weaker devices. That makes Miro best for product and engineering teams that want one shared place to brainstorm, plan projects, present ideas, and move from concept to execution. For more details and the latest deals, check out our full review on bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!